While placing a 90° or 135° angle filler is child's play thanks to the graphic aids, different angles can be a lot trickier. This tutorial aims to make the process as straightforward as possible. Firstly, if you come across any problems placing a 90° or 135° angle filler, then check out our tutorial devoted to exactly that. When setting up an angle that isn't 90° or 135°, the first difficulty is with accurately positioning the fillers. It's very important to do this properly, because if they are badly positioned, the entire scene will seem amateurish, and the automatic linear articles won't work properly. That's why you should learn the following technique. For example, a 127° angle. Firstly, select a simple filler, either a facade one or a furniture body one. Enter the desired width. Now, press down on the control button on your keyboard and don't let go until the filler has been accurately placed. Drag and drop the filler like so. It needs to be placed in the angle with the back of the filler turned towards one of the two walls. Release the mouse and then release the control button. Do this again with the second filler, this time with its back turned towards the other wall. Remember to always release the control button last. Your fillers have now been correctly positioned. Now you just need to place the furniture and let the automatic linear articles place themselves. By using this technique, everything will be placed automatically and, more importantly, accurately.